Hello friend, today we see how to XML file convert in text. So here one file as a template, we opening in any app, but our file not copied, open but not copied. You see it, our file. Also we open in drive but not copied. After selection of part of text, now where is downloaded, and after we rename it and remove XML and insert text. Okay, restore and rename. After open it, you can now see it HTML viewer file, which is default in our Android phone. And now we copied our HTML text. You see it above side, copy, share, select all. Guys, if you like this method to convert XML file into TXT in Android phone, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.